official road to Imagine.
Yeah, buddy.
And we're off to pick Gabriel up, and then we're going to pick up Elizabeth, and then we're getting on the road and heading to the Wynn with a few stops along the way.
Yeah.
It's going to be an awesome route. New addition to the carload. We now have Gabriel. One more person to get in, Elizabeth. Sherrie's doing an excellent job of driving this giant car. We now have our latest addition to the car. Elizabeth is here. Yes, the car is now full. All the bags are in the back. And we're fully on the way to Imagine. First stop on the road to Imagine, Battle Tree Ranch. Woo! Arrived at my room. I have to say, it's absolutely ridiculous. I know that people talk about how amazing the buttons are at the Wynn, but just watch this. Ready? Come and see this view. I'm being serious. Come see it. Look at this. I mean, come on. That over there is Trump Tower. The bathroom in this room is actually bigger than most hotel rooms I've stayed in. I'm not even joking. Giant mirror. Ooh, robes. Eh? Eh? My favourite bit, personally, would have to be this bed. I'm exhausted, I've not even done anything yet. The next few days are gonna be insane.